Hello, Storytime friends. I'm Miss Janae with Curry Public Library, and I'm going to be reading to you a book called Rainbow Worms. This book was written and illustrated by Laura Vila. The chores are done, your work is through, it's time for fun. You could go outside or play in your room. Find your fishing pole and pack your special box of worms. Walk down to the bay. Today feels like a fishing day. This is a favorite fishing spot. The water is cool and clear. There are no waves, no loud boats, and there are fish of every color. Carefully thread your pole with a long line and a sharp hook. Inside your special box of bait, there are worms of every color. An old fisherman walks by and asks, "What can you catch with a red worm?" "You can catch a red snapper." A woman pauses and asks, "What can you catch with a blue worm?" "You can catch a fast blue tuna fish." A boy passes by and asks, "What can you catch with a green worm?" "You can catch a smart green trout." Three boys walk by and ask, "What can you catch with an orange worm?" "You can catch a big orange flounder." A little girl wonders, "What can you catch with a yellow worm?" "You can catch a shimmering yellow carp." A family stops and asks, "What can you catch with a purple worm?" "You can catch millions of merry purple minnows." Finally, you put a plain brown worm on your hook. Everyone comes to watch and ask, "What can you catch with a plain brown worm?" Any fish in the sea. And that's the end of our story for today. I hope you enjoyed that. Good night.